The tech community is abuzz with anticipation for the newest marvel from Apple, the iPhone 16. There's a palpable sense of excitement as rumors, leaks, and speculations swirl around this latest offering. Whispers of groundbreaking design changes, revolutionary display technology, and unparalleled performance capabilities are causing quite a stir. The anticipation is electrifying, with tech enthusiasts eagerly awaiting a first glimpse of what could be a game-changing device. With all the hype, it's clear that the iPhone 16 is highly anticipated. Aesthetics have always been a hallmark of Apple products, and the iPhone 16 is no exception. This fresh iteration is rumored to evolve in design, sporting a new form factor that both surprises and delights. We might see a shift in materials, a daring move that could redefine the iPhone's iconic look. And let's not forget color. Apple is known for its beautiful palette, and the iPhone 16 is expected to add some exciting new options. The iPhone 16 promises to be a feast for the eyes as much as it is a powerhouse of technology. The iPhone 16 is expected to take visual experience to a whole new level, both in terms of display and camera capabilities. Now let's delve into the details. First up, the display. It's rumored that the screen size will see a significant increase, matched with an impressive resolution for crystal-clear visuals. The advanced display technology, possibly incorporating ProMotion and HDR, is set to make every pixel pop. Plus, we're expecting improvements in brightness and contrast, ensuring that the visuals remain stunning even under harsh sunlight. Moving on to the camera, we're looking forward to some major upgrades. The specifications hint at a more powerful lens setup, possibly with enhanced night mode and improved zoom capabilities. This means sharp, vibrant photos and videos, regardless of the lighting conditions or distance from the subject. Whether it's capturing precious moments or binge-watching your favorite show, the iPhone 16 is set to redefine visual experience. Underneath its sleek exterior, the iPhone 16 is rumored to pack quite a punch in terms of performance and battery life. Let's delve into the tech specs. The iPhone 16 is expected to feature a new, more powerful processor. This cutting-edge chip should allow for faster processing speeds, smoother multitasking, and a more responsive user experience. In terms of memory, we're hearing whispers about a range of generous RAM and storage options to suit all needs. Now, let's talk about the battery life. Apple is reportedly working on improvements in battery capacity and efficiency, which should translate into longer usage times. We're also hearing about enhanced charging capabilities. Both wired and wireless charging are expected to be quicker and more efficient, which is a real win for users. With the iPhone 16, it seems Apple is once again pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. With so many potential upgrades and enhancements, the iPhone 16 is shaping up to be a true game changer. From a rumored new design evolution that's sure to turn heads, to the advanced display technology that's expected to take screen resolution to the next level, there's a lot to anticipate. And let's not forget about the camera upgrades. Enhanced night mode, improved zoom capabilities. These features could redefine smartphone photography. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 promises to deliver on performance. With a new processor and a variety of RAM and storage options, it's set to outpace its predecessors. And despite these power-packed features, improvements in battery efficiency mean we can expect longer usage times. The tech community is buzzing with excitement. And why not? The iPhone 16 represents the next step in the smartphone journey. As the launch date approaches, the world waits with bated breath to see what Apple has in store with the iPhone 16.